Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this case study surface areas and volumes problem. A wall mounted lamp made of fabric is shown below. The lamp has cuboidal shape open from top and bottom. A spherical bulb of diameter 7 cm is latched with a very thin rod. Ignore the rod while making calculations. Dimensions of the cuboid are 24 cm into 12 cm into 17 cm. First question, find the surface area of the bulb. Second question, what could be the maximum diameter of the bulb if at least 1 cm space is left from each side. Third question A, find the area of the fabric used if there is a fold of 2 cm on top and bottom edges. Or third question B, find the space available inside the lamp. I will draw the cuboid drawing here. You see here, length is 24 centimeter. This is length is given as 24 centimeter. Breadth is given as 12. So this is breadth is given as 12 centimeter. Height is given as 17 centimeter. Height is 17 centimeter. This is height. First question, find the surface area of the bulb. First question, now we will find surface area of bulb. So this is surface area of sphere formula. What is surface area of sphere formula? 4 pi r square. 4 into pi is 22 by 7. What is r value? In this question given as diameter is 7 centimeter. So radius is d by 2. So 7 by 2. 7 by 2 the whole square equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this 2, here is 11, here is 1 7s are 7, here is 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What is the answer? 2 into 11 into 7, 11 7s are 77 into 2 is 154 centimeter square. First question answer is 154 centimeter square. Second question. What could be the maximum diameter of the bulb if at least 1 centimeter space is left from each side? Diameter of the bulb if at least 1 centimeter space is left from each side. So here is the bulb, center. You see? So this breadth is given as 12 centimeter. So left from each side is, I will draw the drawing here. So imagine this one is a whole thing is 12 centimeter. This one, I will draw this one. So here is the circle. 1 centimeter space is left from each side. So 1 centimeter space is left from each side. Now here is 1 centimeter, here is 1 centimeter. What could be this distance? This distance is 10 centimeter. Now the maximum diameter of the bulb is 10 centimeter. You see 1 centimeter space is left from each side. So you have to neglect this portion. So this length is now 10 centimeter. Third question. Find the area of the fabric used if there is a fold of 2 centimeter on top and bottom edges. Which one is top? This is top. This is bottom. You see the height. Height is 17 centimeter. You can extend this top and bottom. So distance should be, what is given? 2 centimeter. So here is 2 centimeter, here is 2 centimeter. So what could be the height now? 17 plus 2 plus 2, 21 centimeter. Now height of the cuboidal shape is 21 centimeter. Now we will find area of the fabric used if there is a fold of 2 centimeter on top and bottom edges. Now we will consider cuboidal height as 21 centimeter. Now this is 21 centimeter as per the given question. So area of fabric used. What is total surface area of cuboid formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. But in this question we will find area of fabric used. You see the question carefully. The cuboidal shape open from top and bottom. This top and bottom don't take. This is we need to neglect. We will take this portion. This is the front side and back side. So front side, this is length, this is height. You see the drawing, here is length, here is height. Now I will write the formula LH plus LH. Top side, you can neglect this one. Side, this side. I will draw the drawing here. Top side, don't take this one, this portion. Top and bottom. Side, this side and this side. So both side I will draw the drawing here. So this is breadth, this is height. This side also, this is breadth, this is height. HB plus HB. This portion now only wrote LH plus LH. I will draw the drawing here. This portion. You see this front portion. The same, the back side also is there. So this is L, this is H. You see LH, LH, how we will write? 2LH plus HB is 2HB. In this, which one is common? 2H. 2H, take it outside. L plus B. 2H is, you see here, 21 centimeter. So into 21, L is 24 centimeter plus B is 12 centimeter. You see L is 24, H is 21 centimeter. You see the question, top and bottom edges is 2 centimeter. Fold of 2 centimeter on top and bottom edges. So height is 21 centimeter. 2 into 21 is 42, 6, 3. Next, 42 into 36 equal to 1512 centimeter square. So the answer is 1512 centimeter square for area of fabric used. This is the answer for third question A. Next, we will find third question B. The space available inside the lamp. Space available inside the lamp is, you see here, this is the cuboid. We will take the volume of cuboid. So this is the volume of sphere. Need to find the space availability. Volume of cuboid minus volume of sphere. Volume of cuboid formula is L into B into H minus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. L is given as 24, B is given as 12, H is given as 17 minus 4 by 3 into pi into r is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 the whole cube. Next 24 into 12 into 17 minus 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 7 cancel. 2, 11, this 2, 2. So 24 into 12 into 17 is 4896 minus 2 11s are 22. 22 into 49. 22 into 49 divided by 6. Next, 4896 minus 179.67 equal to 4716.33 centimeter cube. So this is the answer for third question B. The space available inside the lamp is 4716.33 centimeter cube. I hope you understood this explanation. Like the video. Thanks for watching this video.